This review is of Deutsche Kuche dark chocolate Dominos, which are gingerbread cookies with apple jelly and persipan coated with dark chocolate. Sounds interesting. It is also fair trade cocoa that they've used. I'll show you the ingredients and nutrition facts here. Okay, nutrition facts. And the ingredients. So as you can see, it contains wheat, milk, and may be contaminated with various kinds of nuts. Gosh, peanuts, coconuts, eggs, and soy too. Woo! Meat imported from Germany. I don't know if I'm going to like this or not, but we'll find out. It smells good. It's a complex combination of chocolate and the cake and the fillings, persipan and apple jelly. But it's nice. I like it. Very tasty. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.